Hi, I'm Ojinga Carr, and I'm the CEO of Epiphany Consulting, LLC, and the founder of the HR Success Academy, and you're here for AHA Monday. I am so excited for AHA Mondays because this is the first of our opening of Epiphany Studios. So excited because I told you we were doing big things, and these are some of the big processes that we're doing. First, I want to thank you. You guys have been doing so awesome. We've had 3 times the amount of responses for our AHA Mondays. People have been watching them. They've been responding back to us on our social media platforms. And we love that because we are inspired by you. It is the things that you do that inspire us to continue to keep pushing forward. And so I am so very thankful to you for the things that you're doing with us with AHA Mondays. We really appreciate that. As you know, what we're building here is a team. It's called Team Crushing It. So with Team Crushing It, what we're doing is we're crushing those obstacles that are in front of our goals. We're crushing those timelines. We're not only getting there as quick as we want to, we're getting there faster. We're building a community of people. So hashtag your comments back, Team Crushing It. You see it right here next to me, Team Crushing It. And hashtag those for us, and we'll find it on Facebook. We'll find it on LinkedIn. We'll find it on Twitter, on YouTube, all of our different places, because we love to communicate with you. As a matter of fact, I saw a thought this week while I was on the internet, and it brought a lot of thought to me. And so I wanted to share it with you. And that thought is the fact that doubt kills more dreams than failure ever will. Doubt kills more dreams than failure ever will. Many times when we think about failure, we think about we're going to fail about something, or it's because when we're going for something, it's the failure that stops us. No, it's the doubt. So what is doubt? It is that little voice that you hear inside of your head that says, no, you can't do this. You don't have the training to do this. You don't have the education. In order to be great, you have to take a long amount of time, and you have to go through that, and we don't have the time to do that. So let's just stay here and stay small in our little box and not go any further. Let's just stay small and not do any more. But doubt kills that. That's what doubt is. It's that little thought that's in your head. When I first started creating this studio, I had a lot of doubt. I doubted the fact of whether we could do it. Here we are with this HR company. How can we really reach? Who am I to reach out to the world? But really, it's not about the doubt that stops us, that's stopping us. What it's about is about what we're going to do about that. So how do we get rid of that little voice? How we get rid of it is first with a risk analysis. First, you look at it and say, what are the real risks? What am I really risking here? What am I really risking by sharing this with the world? What am I really risking by doing these things? Now, there are some very real fears. Your parents told you not to play in the street because you might get hit by a car. That's very real. That's a very real fear. So fear is real in some places where we really should have real fear about things. But most of the things that we fear in our lives, it really is just that little voice inside just saying, doubt, no, don't do it. Stay where you are. So here's my advice to you. Just do it. Go out there and try. Take that step forward and just do it. That's what we're looking to do. That's how we get rid of that doubt. And you'll find that as you take that step, you become more emboldened. You'll want to do more. And that's what we're looking to do. And so I'm so happy to share that with you. So I want you to share something with me. I want you to share me. What's something you've been doubting? What's something that you've been doubting that you've not wanted, that you thought you couldn't do? Share it with us on our platforms, because guess what? That's going to liberate you. It's going to liberate you to take a further step forward to do those things. And we want you to share with us on our Facebook, on our Twitter, on our YouTube, on our Instagram. All those different places, you find them there. The new OjingaCarr.com coming very, very soon. Click on that. We have a lot of places for you to be able to share. We're about business, but we're also about personal growth. And so I'm so happy to be able to share those things with you. We look forward to seeing you again real soon, next week actually, for another AHA Monday. Have an outstanding week. We'll see you soon. Bye-bye.